a shelter program. You need to understand that each and every of our products was developed so that we could keep dogs and cats out of trouble and they wouldn't end up in shelters. Now, by doing so, we decided that helping shelters would be the natural thing for our company. What we do is that we keep a part of our marketing budget. Instead of putting it into magazines, we decided to use that money to provide shelters with different products. So shelters are helping us build our references with people that enrich their dogs and cats' life, and it prevents them from being bored, doing nothing all day long.